Alright, let's go ahead and get started with the set in a Python. Set is also like list and the tuple, but there are some differences with the set. Like set is unordered, but the tuple and list were ordered, and tuple was unchangeable, list was changeable. That's mean tuple and set is immutable, but there is a little minute difference between definition of immutability while we talk about the set, because set is immutable, but you can remove the value and then you can add the value. So in the sense of immutable, you cannot modify a particular value at index, but in fact you can remove a value from the set and then you can insert a new value inside the set. And set is, you cannot also access set with the index like we used to do with the list and the tuple. Like you cannot access the index 0, 1, 2, 3 or like that into a set. For example, let's say if I define here set A equal to, in a curly braces there, apple, banana, and then I say here a cherry. So the type of variable A is set, and you cannot access it with the index because set does not allow this. Alright, you can find out the length of this set. All other methods will work here with the set other than these modifications, but you can remove the value from the set if you want to remove this there. Like we used to remove with the list, with the similar method, you can remove values from the set as well. For example, you can do like a dot remove, and then I'm gonna say here apple. Alright, so this apple has been removed there from the set A. Now we have only banana and cherries. You can now modify this a dot add. Let's say I again want to add here the apple. Alright, let's go ahead and see here a. Now you see there the apple again got added at 0th location. Similarly, if I do here a dot add, let's say I want to add here a value 1, and then see here this 1 goes here at the first location. Earlier, if you remember, in the list it used to go at the last location. Although this is not index accessible, but seems like it is adding here at the first place, but that is not always guarantee. This can add here at any place. There is no guarantee. There is another feature for the set. Set does not allow a duplicate value. List and the tuple allows duplicate values. That's when the same value you can put there multiple times. But in the set, you cannot put the same value for a multiple time. For example, let's say if you do here a dot add, the second time if you do here a dot apple, now you see there the apple will be stored only one time. Even though if you create here a new variable from the scratch, alright, so only one time of this apple will be created out of these two items in a set there. If you have a multiple set and you can you want to update those sets together, let's say I have here B set there, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you want to update set A and B together. Similarly, you can do like A dot update here a B. Alright, so this A will be updated with the values of the B on given condition that these will contain only unique values. If you remember, A also had 1 and B also had 1, but in the final update you get here 1 only one time. That's mean again set does not allow a duplicate values there. There are other operations which you can perform with the set, like you can keep the intersection of the values. Like suppose that if you want to keep only values which are matching A and B, then you can perform those operations by using intersection. For example, let's see if I do here a dot intersection, and in this I'm assigning here a new tuple there. I say there 1 and then 1, 3 and then banana. Now you see here a difference there. this one is a string here, this is integer, this one is integer, and there is a string. Let's go ahead and see the output. You see there the output, the intersection of A and then given this set is only 1, 3 and banana. This one is not matching there. Let's go ahead and perform the other operations, like let's say if you want to keep all the values other than the common values, that means other than these values, let's go ahead and keep all other values. So you can do here like it is symmetric difference. Alright, this one is a symmetric difference. Then you get here all the values other than the matching values. Earlier we had the intersection of these values. Now you see there, these intersection will not be coming here what we are getting here. That's the difference between these two set. Alright, other than that, you can also perform here the operation like A minus B. That means it will remove all the values present into all the values present into B from A. Alright, so you see there the B, we had here a B 1, 2, 3, 4 and A was like this. So it has removed all those 1, 2, 3, 4. It kept only apple, banana and cherries. Similarly, you can do B minus A. Then you see there the B is, what was the B? B was 1, 2, 3, 4 and then it is doing B minus A and there is the A. So if you remove all of these values from a B, that means all of these values will get removed from the B and these values are definitely not present here in the B. So B has become here an empty set there. Alright, perfect. So this is all about in this lecture. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next one.